you for your purchase of product Bluetooth GSM account system. I'm Jess. I come from Shenzhen Carlos Electronic Com Limited. Today I will introduce our new product, new functions. Firstly, I will introduce PKE functions. What is PKE? PKE is when you leave the car at 3 to 5 meters and your car will be locked automatically. When you walk to the car, near the car, it will unlock automatically. Now let me demonstrate this function. Now, as you can see, this is unlock status. Unlock status. I take the smart key away from the car. You will hear two siren sounds and flash 2 times flashes, and it is unlock. I take the smart key away. Siren will make 1 time, and direction light will flash 1 time. It means it is automatically locked state. I can take this smart key away. Yes, you can hear 1 time siren. It is locked. Also, you will hear 2 times siren. Unlock. Now, I see that the seat in the car. You want to push start engine. You don't press the foot brake. You press 1 time, it is ACC. Press it again, it is on. Lastly, press it, it is off. Let me show you. This is ACC. When ACC is enabled, this is a DVD navigation system, car navigation system. Okay, multimedia. The ACC. I press it again. This is on status. On status, your car, the whole system is power on. Now press the lastly press it. This is off. You don't press the foot brake. Now if you press the foot brake, press the start button. So want to push start engine, you need to press the foot brake. You press the foot brake. You press button, stop button 1 time shortly. It is start engine. You press again, it is stop. Let me show you. Start. As you can see, cracking sound, and it is successful start. Okay. You want to park the car, you need to push stop. Press the foot brake. Also press the start button 1 time. Stop. If you don't push stop, if you don't press the foot brake, hold it almost 2 seconds. Yes. Also, start. Okay. Stop. This is start button. Now I will show you remote start. Why do you need a remote start? In the summer, it's very hot. Real hot. You want to drive your car. You open the car door, and it is very hot inside the car. It is not comfortable. So you need to have remote start function. Remote start when you leave the car at almost 70 meters, you can remote start. Let me show you. Okay. This is unlock. Okay. Now, this unlock. I leave the car. For example, 30 meters. Hold the start button. Yes, this is remote start. Remote start is successful. Also, if you want to remote stop, operate the same procedure. Press the start button with the same operation. It is remote stop. This is remote stop. And at this time, I want to introduce another function. If not the smart key. You're not smart key. How do you?
Clearly, I first saw you.
I put a smart key here. Now I have no smart key.
Feel your
How do I edit the car? As you can see, I cannot open the car door. I cannot. This is a password keypad. When you lost the smart key battery is dead, or smart key is broken. How do you unlock the car door and drive your car? You can use this emergency method to enter the car. The default password was 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now let me show you. Now this is unlock. This is lock. Sorry, lock. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, you will hear two sounds. Siren. Unlock. As you can see, it's right. Now I also use the same way to lock the car door by passwords too. Okay. Now I also imported 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this is lock. Passwords. Lock car door. This is about smart car functions introduction. Now I will introduce mobile app. How do I use the mobile app? Control this car. Also, today I will use the Bluetooth function to unlock start function. About app trunk, app window up, app searching the car, app voice monitoring, app GPS location. About these functions, you can try it later when you buy our product. In this video, I already introduced the app unlock start function. Now I will open the card, open the app. Now let me use this smartphone. This is iPhone smartphone. Okay. This is app card to app. Keyword is CARDOT. You can search in this app in App Store. I click one time. Okay, this is ID. GPS mode ID. Default password is 88888868 number. Done. Login. Okay, this is app. Now I use the Bluetooth function to control the car. Now I lock. As you can see, this lock. Unlock. Yes, good. Okay, start. Yes, you will hear. Start. And then there is start icon. Icon is moving now. App moving now. As you can see, app start. Okay, now unlock. Okay, unlock. If you unlock. It's app lock. App start lock. Lock. App lock. No. App stop. I tried. Yes, app stop. This is app control this car. This car. It's very easy. This Bluetooth function. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello. This is a car to smart car system. I will introduce the window up automatically. Automatic window up function. What is auto window up function? You unlock the lock. This is window will lift automatically, and this will lift automatically. Now, show you lock. You will hear siren. Yes. This and this, it will lift up automatically. This is automatically window up function. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.